Hello guys, today I have my new Apple pencil. Okay, it's like this, you can see it, and it says that it's for iPad model with magnetic Apple pencil connector, and it says also that it's like for precise drawing and writing. So I'm going to use it with my with my iPad. If we open it, it's like this. Okay, it's like the instruction manual, and I already read it, and it says that we need to connect it for in Bluetooth. So I think it's very easy. Here it's like another type of pen. Okay, the charger obviously. Okay, and we have also the Apple pencil. Okay, it's like this. You can change it, this one. Okay, let me try to change it. Okay, this is the first one. Let me show you. This is the first one, and the second one, the one that it came here, it's this one. Okay, so I think it's the same. I think that it's just like another one. Maybe if you lose this one, or if it doesn't works. Okay, I'm here putting the other one. Okay, it's like this, and we are ready to use it. Okay.